Hey everybody, in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of a case here for our keytoolmax and our OBD program. You see now I'm keeping it. This is like a telephoto lens bag that I have my keytoolmax stuff in, instructions, generating cable, and I think that was all that was in there. And then I've been putting my miniobd tool back in the box, which as you see doesn't work the best here. So that's all going to be changing today. I don't think I need the instructions anymore. I've got a pretty good handle on it, plus the instructions are pretty useless anyway. So excited today to get this. Actually came about a week ago, super fast shipping from the seller that I got it from. Purchased it from one of the eBay xhorse groups. So it says Rapid Gear on it, which I wasn't aware of, but not that that matters. But when we open it up, it's actually all set up here to stick your cables, generating cable, and our mini OBD tool should fit in there nicely as well. And then it's got the perfect little space for your keytoolmax. And you can actually probably just turn it on, I would imagine, and just leave it in here, not even take it out. It fits in there nice and snug, so it's not going to move around or go anywhere. And then you just zip it up, good to go. And it has some Velcro straps too, maybe just to hold stuff down possibly. But just wanted to show everybody that. Pretty awesome case. I think I'm going to be very, very happy with it. I paid about $55 shipped for it, and I don't really have much else on it. I asked the seller for information to link to where to buy them from, but he never responded. But it's the xhorse USA Facebook group is where I found it at. And so I guess questions, comments, as always, leave them in the comments. And stay tuned for some more videos with the mini OBD tool here. I'm going to hopefully be trying to use it more and more on jobs, and I'm going to try to make more videos as I go with it. So that's all I have for this super quick video. And like I said, questions, comments, put them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.